Chief, yes, thank you. You have been talking to us about title taking, specifically in Umueri, but also embracing how it's done in the whole of the Omabala Valley, the old Anambra division, and Igboland also. Igboland also, and you explained about the first of the male titles as no, Amanglo. You said the first one, then the next rank is Asamo, which is basically a process of initiation into the history, the culture, the religion of the people. The initiate has explained to him his family tree, ancestral tree and relations and things like that, and how to minister at the temples. Okay. Then the next rank is the really prestigious one that everybody knows about, the Obuevi rank. Thank you very much. And now you were talking about this. What are these and how do they come in? Is this a safe or it looks like?
This is the prestigious
Ocheyom, Ocheodu.
Then we call it Onyemelu. That's the final bus stop of Oyom.
Ocheyemelu.
Yes,
So it's known by different names?
yeah, this
Is it different names in different places or?
yes, like in Umueri, where we started this. We call it Onyemelu in the sense that for you to become a title woman with ODU, because you have to start from Abehwe.
Let's go back and let's start where they start.
This Abehwe is once a woman is married and has done well in their household, married, born children, they live in peace with the husband. And the husband will now want to confer her with this prestigious title starting from Abehwe. Abehwe is the beginning of exalting a woman in the family. This Abehwe is like a group, like Umueri. We have 4 quarters. Every quarter has their own Abehwe. Then Abehwe means that the woman is now a member of those prestigious women.
Abehwe, what does the Aba mean and the Ekwe, what does it?
Abehwe means he has paid some
It sounds
money.
like a compound word, is it?
Abehwe means the person has entered that group. Then
What group? What's the group called?
Abehwe group.
Abehwe group.
They have what we call Nkele. Nkele is like a big gum, big what do you call it? Very big one that you make sure you tell truth to your husband and to the community. Anybody who enters that, no fornication.
You should join that group.
Yes.
The Abehwe group.
Yes. That's like you are now people are comparing with you that have a good wife.
Okay.
Then after the Abehwe, they have Nkele. That Nkele, if you say lie, if you jump it, you may have problem. Continual menstruation. Then after Abehwe, the husband sees that.
If a woman tells lies and jumps over the
You
Nkele.
can start having menstruation.
Okay.
So women respect it. Now, if any Abehwe person die, the whole community will not go to work anywhere in those days.
Okay.
They will pronounce it, everybody.
The entire community?
Yes.
Male and female?
The female will sit at home. They don't go any place. So that shows that somebody serious is dead. Okay. Then after the Abehwe, we have what we call Umueri. Umueri have local terms, we call it Mbajioba. That is the person now want to enter this prestigious trip of ODU. Okay. This ODU we talk about men that are for hand and leg for women. You understand me now? Okay. That comes Abehwe. By the time after the Abehwe of 18, you now come for Iyom. The moment you arrive, you pass interview. For you to become Iyom, they will give you this a tusk, the bigger one. Your husband buy it, it's very expensive. And you look for somebody to do well. so that the husband will spend such money. You are, in fact, you are excellent in your household. They must have known that you train your children well.
The ODU is what? What stuff is it made of?
It's made of elephant tusk.
It's elephant tusk.
Yes.
So how is it worn?
Those big ones they are cut. Then you put it in an oval shape, not very simple. You put it at you are left with Vaseline.
Okay, is that what the ODU women wear?
Yes. You have OTU Umueri. They were taking Telugu sometime, Abuja. They used to perform. Okay. It's not a new thing again, but I'm trying to explain. But it's just women who have done well. It's just like an award. The family, the husband give to the wife. For having performed well. Now, after this, there are things like that in any other place, but Umueri has the toppest ODU by donating this year to those people who did well. After they are passed out, won the ODU, then they make ceremony. They create a very great ceremony.
So this is a chair?
This is a chair.
It's used for sitting down?
Yes, it's for them, specifically for them.
For women who have reached that rank?
Women in Umueri who have reached that, who have done well, and as inspired by their husband. It's not easy to bring 1 million, buy something for leg, 500,000 for hand, you give a wife. Unless the wife is trustworthy, isn't it? So that is what the point. So I've been saying that. After having done that, then by the time you do the final ceremony, then they give you this chair. You are about to share envelope to all invitees. That's why we say Oche Onyembelua. Because the moment you do this, you don't get skill paid again. Any other title, no more. Any other thing, even like some people who are well to do, even in the church, everybody is allowed to take it. Some time ago, they presented to Mr. Peter Obi at Aviama. They were happy.
Okay, she was conferred with the ODU rank.
Yes.
Okay. Mrs. Peter Obi.
Yes.
When was this?
That was during his second
tenure.
Yeah. At Aviama.
Okay.
You see them going to Abuja. People, foreigners like this thing because it depicts the old culture.
So we are interested. Can we see this? Can we look at this?
You look at it now. This is a smaller size.
Okay.
This is a smaller size. This is the bigger size. They have about 4 sizes. The much bigger one is carried by their leader. That one we call it EGWUONWU.
Okay, they are in sizes.
About 5.
About 5 different sizes.
Depending on your grade.
Okay.
More people are coming. They are growing into this.
So the largest one belongs to their leader.
Yes.
Okay.
There was a time we went to Enugu. We walked from this new market to that cooperative of Eastern Nigeria, one bank. At the back, you see the cultural center there. We everybody was happy. The outfit, the outing was okay.
Okay, so this what is I see has a latch here. Yeah. What is this? Can we see?
As it is now, it's as a prestigious woman. If you go out and you can buy things and lock it up there.
Okay, there's a place there. There's
there has to be key.
Okay.
They put their hair.
Can you open it? Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, so they can actually put things.
Yes, now some the creative things inside.
So it doubles as a chair and as a safe, a box. Okay. Okay. So why do they carry it when they dance?
Good. It's a practice. Somebody may carry it and cannot dance. That is exactly what made it perfect. These people wear those heavy things, both leg and hand, and yet carry this thing without. That's about without touching it. Not every community can do that one.
Yeah, that's interesting. So the people who do this are called the OTU group, and they are known by when somebody sees them. How does a person recognize somebody of that rank?
The moment you see them, either in the field, you are not going to see the ODU everywhere. They carry lights and they are there by their hand, and they spend money because they are rich.
Okay.
It's a rich outfit.
So these elephant tusks, are they worn as everyday clothing or occasionally?
No, it's occasional.
Occasionally.
Like anytime you see them, yeah, or whatever, you see them. Because they are very close to the high rank. After the cabinet, this is OTU.
Okay, so what purpose will you say that this title taking serves to the community? Why do they do this? Is it just to spend money or?
In the first place, you can know the history of the people through culture. It's a cultural outfit. And I will go, by the time they tell you a man in Umueri can use 2 million to bring the wife to that country, that shows Umueri marries wife well, love their wife. You can put it in cultural, in history. And they have been there over the years. You understand? So, whatever people do in culture helps to tell their story.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Okay, so it's a means of preserving the culture, preserving the history, and also rewarding effort.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Chief John EGWUONWU has been discussing with us about the processes and practices of title taking. First, among his people of Umueri, Anambra East Local Government Area, Anambra State. But basically the same thing that obtains in Umueri, according to him, also obtains in neighboring communities, the whole of the Omabala region. Can we see this? Can we see?
Except that we initiated the Ochemelu.
Okay. Okay. So the unique contribution of the Umueri people is the use of this Ochemelu.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So thank you very much, Chief, for your time and for giving us the benefit of your knowledge. Yes, thank you very much. May God continue to bless you. And you out there, you have heard what Chief has to tell us about the various titles and rankings and the Igbo society, both for males and for females, and things in particular about this unique heirloom of the Umueri people and of the Igbo people, the Oche ODU. There's another one called Ochembo. What is that? Is it the same thing as this?
That is for men at the Umueri level. It's not here. I could have said that.
Okay, that is
where
for
you sit down, then they decorate you.
Okay, does that so the Ochembo is the male equivalent.
Yes.
Males sit on the Ochembo and the females sit on this. Okay, that's interesting. That's interesting. So thank you very much. We will come again and look at other aspects
I'll be there for you.
of the history and culture of the Igbo people. Remember to like and share our video, and your comments are very, very important to us. You can help us deepen our knowledge and understanding of these cultural practices. No matter what part of Igboland you are from, it doesn't have to be about Umueri alone. You can send us videos, commentaries on your own culture, or if it be on this particular aspect, how is it done in your own place, in your own area? How is it done? We'll be interested to hear from you. Thank you very much. Remember to also subscribe to this channel so that you'll be able to see more videos on the history and culture of the Igbo people. God bless you. See you next video, next program. Bye.
Yeah,